Whip Plan Blur Transition Tutorial in Premiere Pro. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So to watch this tutorial, follow the steps. First of all, you need to prepare your clips for this tutorial. Import your clips and add clips to timeline. After that, create the whip pan effect. For that, apply a transform effect. Select the first clip on your timeline, go to the effect option panel and search for the transform. Under video effects and distort, drag the transform effect onto your clip. Now animate the position. With the clip selected, go to the effect controls panel, find the transform effect and expand its settings. After that, set the position keyframes at the start and end of your clip. Move the playhead where you want to animate the start. Click the stopwatch icon next to the position. Now add some motion blur as well. You can also match the transition with the next clip and create the blur effect by applying the Gaussian blur by dragging the Gaussian blur effect onto your first clip. Also animate the blur if you want to. You can create the Gaussian blur for that as well. Apply the Gaussian blur, animate the blur and fine tune the transition and preview the refine as well. And you can also add additional effects if you want to. For the additional effects, you can use the sound effect and color grading, by which you can apply color grading to ensure the transition blends well to the overall look on your project. So these are some steps that you can follow to create visually engaging whip plan blur transition in Premiere Pro. So adding a dynamic and professional touch to your video edits will help you a lot. So I hope this video helped you, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.